The financial markets were crumbling. It was unprecedented government intervention. Automobile manufacturers were failing and needed to be bailed out.
The stock market is now down 21%.
43%.
Waiting to see how low.
Market fell.
And a lot of institutions that have been around for a century or more were failing by the day. The news captivated everyone, and it affected everyone in some way.
It was a really scary time, so we thought, let's start this company. Having grown up in a small community and having grown up on a family farm, you of course you develop those work ethics and a sense of responsibility, and you also understand the value of a dollar.
My dad started this auto repair facility in 1982, so at an early age I got a good glimpse of what it's like to run a business and the work that goes into growing a successful business.
When my father first started paying us any amount of money for our efforts, we were paid 75 cents an hour, so you had to work a lot of hours to get some money.
And what continues to be some commonality is our backgrounds. We both come from hardworking backgrounds and understand the value of a day's work and the value of a dollar.
It's just something that you grow up with, and it just becomes a part of your DNA.
Similar to this business, our clients give us the keys to the car, and we have discretion to manage their assets, and it's important to maintain a high level of transparency during that process.
Many of our clients are self-made, and they've worked hard for their dollars, and their money is very important to them, and they want to make sure that they invest with somebody that has that same mentality.
Make sure that they understand the investment decision-making process and how those decisions are made, and know that we're making them for them.
I think what a lot of investors don't realize is it's a circus out there. You know, behind some closed door somewhere in New York or Hong Kong, there's an army of young MBAs that are packaging together financial products and cookie cutter solutions for investors, and they don't know you, they're never going to meet you, and how or why would they care about you? More and more investors, they want to do business with a local firm that's separate from the financial institutions that are creating our product. John and I wanted to create a firm that did that.
If you're a client of Marks Group Wealth Management, you're a client of the firm. You're not a client of Ben's, you're not a client of mine. There's 9 professionals in our office, and everybody will touch that relationship to some degree. One
of the greatest obstacles in this business is finding somebody who's truly your advocate, someone that will always work in your best interest.
Understanding our clients is critical, and a lot of that does come down to trust and understanding them, and the fact that we live and work in the same community alongside them adds a lot to that whole process.
And that is really the basis in which our firm was built.